usual, fam, we got quite a few deals to get to, so let's just jump right into it. Over at cpooutlets.com, we've got a sale on all their reconditioned nailers. Shout out to my boy Hakeem for this tip. You can find anything from their 16, 15 gauge, even a reconditioned crown stapler, and yeah, they got that 30-degree framing nailer too. Ridiculous, fam. $279. It's like brand new from the factory, except maybe my boy Hector carved his name into the bottom. Whatever, it'll buff out. This isn't so much of a hack per se, but we've got a slight price drop on that M18 fuel combo kit. You are going to have to do store pickup only for this. It is not available online. You're looking at $369, hammer drill, impact driver, 2 5s, charger bag, and the M18 fuel paddle switch angle grinder. And these next two hacks, they're nothing new. We've seen them all before. Y'all know how these work. I'll leave links in the description down below. None of these are affiliate links. You have a multitude of items to choose from on the M18 fuel hack, including the deep cut portable bandsaw. The framing gun that we were just talking about is on this hack. So you pick the item that you want with your kit. I know it says $6.99. Don't freak out. We're going to do the free gift with purchase the way we always do. And in case it's not working for you, just add the battery separately. It'll still prorate in the cart. You can always cancel the battery or return it at store, however you like to do these hacks. So we're going to pick that battery, bundle it with the M18 combo kit and the framing gun, and you get that whole set for $583. That's not bad. Moving on, we've got the M12 combo kit that you guys have seen before. We had this, I want to say, over the winter holidays, with the 2, with the 6, with the circ saw, cordless ratchet. Y'all already know how this works. Pick the one you want. I know you guys are going to go for the stubby combo kit. I think there's a stubby with a stubby. Oh, stubby with the right angle. That's pretty cool. So 503. Wow, 503. That's not bad. That's not bad for those 4 with a 4.0, a 2.0, the charger, and the bag. Obviously, on the hacks, you always want to add the most expensive item to your cart. In this case, in almost all the cases with the M12 hacks, it's going to be that M12 ratchet. So slam them in the cart. And we've got $388 for those 4 tools. Not bad at all. So this is the final hack I was able to find. If y'all see any more, leave it in the comments down below. I will get to it as soon as possible. I shared a similar hack earlier with you guys on the 1/2-inch mid-torque impact wrench. This hack involves both of the impact wrenches, the 3/8 and the 1/2-inch. You're going to go add the free gift with purchase. In this case, it is the M18 5.0. There's no other choices. Add it to the cart, and just like that, you can land both wrenches for $277. That's pretty good, fam. So I will leave links to all these items in the description down below. That's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.